So next up, guys, got a really nice looking sleeper truck here. It's a 2013 Kenworth T660. I'll go around it, give you a nice 360 degree view, but here's the truck, guys, showing right around 980,000 miles there, 28,000 hours, and you'll have all that with the listing. It does have a Paccar 485 horse diesel motor, Eaton Fuller 13-speed transmission, and that Paccar motor is completely deleted, guys. Drive rubber in really nice shape, probably only, I think he said 80,000 miles on virgin Yokohama drives. Steer rubber is getting a little more worn, but still has life left. Big studio sleeper. Last summer, put in new AC and components, new engine wire, new engine harness, put a new clutch in 40,000 miles ago. We'll have all the maintenance and everything, but he's kept it in good shape. Nice clean truck. I'm here at the consignor. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. There you go. Starts right up there, guys. Good sounding truck. All aluminum rims. I'm going to kind of throw it in reverse here. Then he's going to pull down the lane, kind of let you see it get going. Really good sounding truck. Starts easy. As warm and nice as it's been. It's a little colder this morning, guys. This thing fired right up. Sliding fifth wheel. It's air. It's got mud flaps. Obviously, he lives on a gravel road, but this kept its thing in pretty dang nice shape, real clean. Serviced it on time. R 22.5 rubber, guys. And he did do all 6 injectors. Also did the I think it's the main high flow pump, but I'll make sure I have all that information, everything in the description. He's obviously done quite a bit of maintenance and kept the truck running good. Go by there, guys. So there's the demo on the 2013 Kenworth T660 sleeper truck. Like we said, guys, 900, just short of 1 million miles, I guess, 20,000 hours, but definitely truck's been well cared for. So good luck, guys. Auction time and Old 20 Auctions.